In this example, we're going to show you how to use a decision table within a workflow. So let me take one of my existing examples. Let's take the academic rating GPA decision table. As you can see, we have one input coming in, which is the GPA, and the academic rating is a value. So if the GPA is less than 3, you get a rating of 10. If the value is between 3 and 3.3, you get a rating of 20. Let's go ahead and test this decision table. Let's put 2.9 or 2.8, and as you can see, we get a 10 back, and this row is selected. Let's go ahead and put 3.7. And you can see this row is selected with the value of 40. So let's go ahead and take this decision table and use it in a workflow. So we're going to go up to create and create a new process, and let's call this decision table example. And I'm going to declare a couple of variables. I'm going to say I have one called GPA, and it's going to be numeric, and also let's call it ranking, which is also a numeric, and we're going to make the GPA required because we want to provide this number. And if you go to the search box in the toolbox and search for decision tables or just decision, you will see an icon or a step for decision table. So we're going to use that. And on this decision table, we want to use the academic rating GPA decision table. And now we're going to map the inputs and the outputs from this decision table. So let's go ahead and map those. For the GPA, we want to provide our variable GPA. And once it evaluates, it's going to return back the academic rating. So we want to store that value in our ranking variable. Let's go ahead and save that. And we're going to save the workflow definition. And let's run an instance. So you can see I need to provide a GPA, so let's provide the GPA of 3.5 and tell it to execute. Let's go back to our workflow instances. You can see that this instance got created and it already executed. So let's go ahead and look at the ranking variable value. So we're going to go into this last step, decision table, and look at the variables. So you can see we provided 3.5 and the ranking value is 30. So as you know, with decision tables, you can have any number of inputs and also any number of outputs. You can make the decision table how complex that you want and maintain all your rules within that table and use that evaluation of the decision table within any given process. Thank you.